Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxy. Today's project I'll be making a bed. I got inspired with this beautiful bed I saw on Pinterest. So I had to make a similar version but using different colors to match the bed. First step was making the frame of the headboard. I had to ask for assistance from my fundi since I just had a baby some few weeks ago and I wasn't in the position of making the bed by myself, but I had to assist him on drawing the pattern that I needed for my headboard and also giving him the measurements that I needed for my bed. We had to do this project day and night because he was only coming to assist me when he was free, so most of the time he was free at night. That's why you will see some videos I recorded at night. On the next day, he proceeded on making the frame of the bed. I used a blockboard which measures 1 inch thick to make the frame of the bed, and since I wanted my bed to have a storage like this, so this is inspiration I got from Pinterest, I had to use the blockboards to make the frame of the bed. I'll give the measurements of the blockboard that I used on this bed. Then went ahead to make the storage part, so they had to use some woods so as to support the storage part of the bed. After making the frame of the storage part, he went ahead and covered the storage part using some plywood all around. If you're new to my channel, I'll say thank you so much for clicking onto this video. My name is Roxy. I do home decor DIYs. If you're interested in watching more of my videos, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so as to get notified whenever I post a new video. On the headboard part, he went ahead to add the foam onto the pieces of wood he had cut from this frame. He used contact glue to stick the foam onto the wood, and after sticking all of them, this is how the frame turned out. I wasn't there when he was covering them because I had to attend to the baby, and this is how it turned out after covering the foams using the black fabric. On the outer part of the headboard, he had to use a 1/2 inch thick foam before putting the black fabric all around the frame of the headboard, and this is how it turned out. So this is how the headboard will look, and the spaces which are left, that's where I'll be adding more decoration of my headboard. On the third day, he went ahead to make the top part of the bed, whereby the mattress will be lying on. So he had to use some cypress wood. I'll give the measurements of the cypress wood that he used to make the top part of the bed. After making the frame, he had to cover the frame using the plywood, just as he did onto the part which will be used as the storage. Before adding the fabric onto the frame of the bed, we had to cover it using a 1/2 inch foam all round before adding the black fabric all around. As you can see, this is how it has turned out after adding the black fabric onto the whole part of the bed frame. So this is how it looks to the storage part, and after covering the storage part, this is how the bed has turned out. So I went ahead and decorated the frame or the headboard frame using some mirror tiles that I had at home. So on this part, I'll be using 3 centimeters by 30 and also 7.5 centimeters by 30 mirror tiles to decorate the frame of my headboard. I didn't record how I glued them down, but as from the video you can see how I arranged them. If you're interested in these mirror tiles, I'll put the contact in the description box on where you can get them. After putting the headboard frame onto my bed, this is how my complete bed looks like. I really love how it has turned out. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this simple DIY mirrored frame bed that I have just made. This time round, I really wanted to try the black and the bronze, and the turnout, it's really pretty. I just love how this bed has turned out, and after adding the mattress, this is how my bed has turned out. I didn't add the hydraulic lifts because I had them imported. Once they're here, I'll show you guys how I'll put the hydraulic lift for the storage parts. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned as I do a makeover for my bedroom, and there's some more videos at the end screen. Please remember to watch more of my videos and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye. See you next time for a new video.